Wait, this is not just plantain porridge. This is nourishment in a pot. This simple meal is actually packed with nutrients your body truly needs. Unripe plantain is rich in fiber, which helps your digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. Now for the ingredients, I have pepper, I have crayfish, scent leaves, mixed spices. I also use garlic and ginger for most of my foods, and this is one of the signature in this unripe plantain. My onions, salt, oil, and mackerel fish. Yes, not forgetting that. And the signature ingredient, which is Ugba. It's alright, guys, let's continue. I had to marinate my mackerel fish and put it in my oven to receive some goodness. You know, grilling this fish is going to give it a different taste when it enters this your center spot of unripe plantain porridge. Unripe plantain porridge is naturally low in sugar, so it supports healthy blood sugar levels and steady energy throughout the day. Another beautiful thing about unripe plantain is the resistant starch it contains. That starch feeds the good bacteria in your gut and helps improve overall digestive health. And of course, it contains potassium, which helps support the heart's muscles and healthy blood pressure. Some people prefer to put their own already on fire, pour water before adding any other ingredients, but I decided to do mine this way. It always comes out very nice and tasty. Lots of crayfish gives it a different vibe in this unripe plantain porridge. So I added enough crayfish, added pepper because I love pepper. I blended garlic and ginger with my pepper mixture before adding it to my pot. So you can do yours that same way or however you want it, as long as it's going to bring out the good taste that we need for this unripe plantain porridge, right? At this point, I added enough water that will cook the unripe plantain and added red oil as well. Now let's talk about what makes this pot even more special. I added Ugba. Ugba adds plant protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients that help nourish the body, that keep you energized. It also gives the porridge that rich traditional taste that many of us love. Now stir this very well and place it on the fire. Get it to cook very well. While it's cooking, you check on your grilled mackerel fish or beef, whatever you're using to cook here. If you've watched to this junction, thank you so much for watching my YouTube, and I want to plead with you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipes like this and more goodness and more health meals like this one. Now our grilled fish is ready and I deboned it and added it to my plantain. Stir it, and then next I finished with the fresh scent leaves. You see, scent leaves don't just add aroma and flavor. They contain natural antioxidants and compounds that support digestion and help the body fight unwanted bacteria. So what you are looking at is not just comfort food. It's balanced traditional meal filled with fiber, plant protein, healthy fats, and natural nutrients. You see, meals like this remind us that some of the healthiest food are the ones we've been eating for generations. This is just simple, nourishing, and absolutely delicious. I would really love to hear from you, so drop a comment in my comment section and let me know where you're watching me from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. And also subscribe to Taste and Sip with OzyDiamond and turn on your notification bell so whenever I drop a video, you're going to see it first. Honestly, if you grew up eating this meal, you already know how special it is. But if you haven't tried it this way, you are seriously missing out. Because traditional meals like this will never go out of style. I tell you this for free, it will never. Just look at this delicious meal. You pack it for your loved ones, or for your husband, or for yourself, or for your family, and you are enjoying it with so much love. Oh my goodness. Just do this for you and your family and thank me later. Lovely. Do tell me if you'll be trying this in the comment section, and are you going to be trying it with meat or beef or any of the protein? See you in my next video. And before I forget, I have so many recipes on my YouTube channel, so do well to go to my channel and check it out. I have so many amazing recipes for you and your loved ones. Thank you for watching. Bye for real now.